Hi, so welcome to DCA. Today we will be discussing about the upcoming entry, that is 10 plus 2 INA, Indian Naval Academy BTech entry. Now it's, I think many of the people are not aware of this. If you have gone through the NDA exams and you might be receiving the TES entries as well. There is one more, that is BTech entry in INA, Indian Naval Academy Ejimala, that is located in Kerala, one of the most beautiful campus in India, right? You must have a look. The notification has been released yesterday. Maybe you are aware of, right? अगर आप नहीं हैं तो आप प्लीज जाके चेक कर लीजिए. Notifications has been released and the deadlines, that is will be starting from 6th of October to 20th of October. So you have around 15 days of bandwidth to apply for that. Everything is same. What remains same in TES. सब कुछ लगभग same है. आपको कुछ नया करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You just need to apply. And you need to check whether the date of birth lies in this bandwidth. It's all mentioned in the advertisement. ऐसी कोई चीज नहीं है जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट में नहीं लिखा है. आपके पास ये bandwidth लिखा हुआ, आप उससे भी चेक कर सकते हैं. Now the general question, the biggest question is that कि is this entry based upon simply +2 marks or is there anything else, some more criterias? So naval entry is based upon JEE Main AIR rank, All India rank. आजकल परसेंटाइल आता है, बट जब फाइनल परसेंटाइल के बाद जब दोनों जेई हो जाते हैं, अब आज के डेट में जब हम ये वीडियोस बना रहे हैं और जब आप सुन रहे होंगे तो आपके पास जो जेई मेंस 2020 के, राइट, इसका आपके पास ऑल इंडिया रैंक आ चुका होगा. जब तक ऑल इंडिया रैंक नहीं आया तभी ये नोटिफिकेशन लेट है इस बार, अदरवाइज ये पहले टाइम पे आ जाता है. एंड दिस इज फॉर जनवरी 20201 एंट्री, राइट. सो यू विल बी ज्वाइनिंग द अकेडमी इन जनवरी 20201 इफ क्वालिफाइड. Right, so I will discuss about this JEE Main ranks, what is the cutoff in detail, but let me conclude this as well, that this is the first time vacancies has been revealed. Otherwise vacancy generally वो notification में बताते नहीं थे. This time I think the vacancy is quite less, that is 5 for education and 29 other for the executives and the technology branch, right. This is the first time. If you check upon the JEE INA entry 2019, they have not mentioned the exact number of vacancies. I think this is the first time they have revealed. Now the big question, almost every one of you have got 70% in PCM, not a big deal, and 50% marks in English, right, either in 12th or 10th as per the rules. The question is, sir, my rank is this, will I get the call, right? ये बहुत भयानक क्वेश्चन है नहीं, right? प्रॉब्लम ये है कि if you get the call, are you ready enough and clear the SSB? ये क्वेश्चन होना चाहिए, because the JEE Main rank, जिन बच्चों की 2 लाख रैंक है, 2.5 लाख है, उनको भी कॉल आ रही है, राइट. नाउ एक कंफ्यूजन जो मैं आपको दूर करना चाहूंगा, दैट इज रिलेटेड टू द क्वालिफिकेशन, क्वालिफाइंग JEE Main एंड गेटिंग द SSB कॉल. देखो INA एंट्रीज में दे हैव मेंशन्ड दैट यू नीड टू हैव JEE Main rank. Rank is given to, if I talk about this JEE 2020, the final list, around 8,50,000 something people has applied. You can get the data from the official NTA portal as well, right. Out of 8.5 lakh, the last candidate, even the last candidate, that is 8.5 lakh, will get the rank. Everyone gets the rank, right. So INA says that you must have applied for JEE, right. Second, you must have, if you have applied and if you have appeared for JEE, चाहे आपने कोई सा भी JEE Main दिया हो, appeared for JEE Mains, you have received all India rank. It can be 4 lakh, it can be 5 lakh, it can be 2 lakh, it can be 1 lakh, whatever it is. Of course, अगर आपने एग्जाम दिया तो आपकी एक रैंक आई होगी. It's not mandatory to qualify JEE Main for the naval entry. आप JEE Main, जैसे JEE Mains की जो qualifying cutoff है, let's suppose it's around 90 for the general, right. What we say that qualified JEE Mains, so that he is going to write the advance. Okay, जो 27 तारीख को एग्जाम है आपका एडवांस का, but leave it, will not bring that in the discussion. आपने JEE Main दिया, आप IIT के हिसाब से नहीं पूछ रहा कि क्वालिफाई है कि नहीं. अगर आपकी JEE Main रैंक आई है तो आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. मींस इवन इफ यू हैव द रैंक ऑफ 4 लाख यू कैन अप्लाई, इवन इफ यू हैव द रैंक ऑफ 8 लाख यू कैन अप्लाई. बट जनरली क्या होता है, पीपल हैविंग रैंक अप टू 3 lakhs gets the call. That means if your rank is within 1 से लेकर के 3 लाख के बीच में, तो you can expect the call, right. The merit list is completely based upon the SSB performance, right. So this is just a calling criteria. You can see that this is a filter one. इसके बेसिस पे फिल्टर करते हुए एप्लीकेशन, और कुछ नहीं है. There are some candidates in 2016 or 17 who has scored only 7 marks. I repeat, only 7 to 10 marks in JEE Main and they received the call, right? But receiving call doesn't make that you are going to make into the list, right? So what is important is that you should try, आपका अगर rank 1-2 लाख के बीच में है तो there is 200% guarantee that you will get the call. Beyond 3 lakh, the probability of receiving the call is less, assuming that seat has also decreased, that is around 34, right? So be confident. If your rank is up to 2 lakhs or 2.5 lakhs, you will definitely get the call. आप apply करें and you know, don't get demotivated by the number of seats, right? You might be applying for the TS entries as well. Maybe आप शायद NDA के लिए भी शायद SSB के call expect कर रहे होंगे. That depends on your score, right? So आप SSB का experience ले, NDA, TES on this one, right? Maybe you learn from the SSB and perform better in the next time. That will anyhow, you know, if you are going to make it to the list, that is a, you know, in fact a good deal. You are getting engineering degree. And the second thing, you might, if you want to get an awareness about this program, what actually takes place inside the academy, there is a video on our portal, right? The name of the student Aviral, he was our classroom program student, the crash course student. He is right now in the 3rd year of the training, right? आप देख सकते हैं, he has shared his experience in the academy as well, right? So do apply for this as a kind of experience. The SSB call will be around, देखो January 2021 में ज्वाइन करना है तो SSB will be around, you know, last of October, starting November, December में वो खत्म कर देंगे. And number of calls, if assuming that let's suppose it's around 35 seats for example, so you can say 20:1 ratio, let's suppose 1000 or 2000 people will be called upon, most probably at Visakhapatnam, right? For the Naval Academy, most probably we will be receiving call at Visakhapatnam. Last time जिन बच्चों ने apply किया, we remember 2-3 students from our school program, right? They have been called to the Visakhapatnam. Thank you. All the best. Hope this session had some insight into your queries. Any question, queries, do write us 7710548 960. All the best.